All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
It's O-R-E-Y-O. DJ Ori.
I believed everything.
This boy trying to kill us.
Me, boy. You
Okay, this big thing. Hello. Cheers.
Number 10. Is the liquor kicking in? I don't know. You tell me. Hey takeovers, welcome to my channel, guys. I'm Tasha if you're new. Today it's gonna be a fun day for me where I'm going to Topgolf for fun, you know, to enjoy myself today. It's the weekend. I'm taking you guys with me. Hope you enjoy and let's go.
Dolphins playing around right here.
For real?
Yeah. Dolphins? Uh-huh. That's dolphins. I don't know.
Downtown Riverwalk. Taking a little walk before we go to Topgolf. It is a beautiful night. We're not too far, but yeah, my sister and my brother taking a walk. Beautiful.
Yeah.
It is beautiful. It's a beautiful night.
People just come here to do this.
Exercise.
Yeah, because the vibe, it's nice. But it's not always this fast.
Should have put my Crocs on. Look at this. They're not too crazy, but you know, there's a lot of people walking as usual.
Holding me to the right, but it will pick up and find me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel it and smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, too busy in my mind. Help me on my fears, my level. Since I disappeared, if you left me feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food. No, you like my own, my cross to bear alone.
It's beautiful. It's a beautiful night. It feels good. And that's took. We are done walking. One more place, and we should be.
But my thing is, why? Oh, Hoop Tingers, I heard of that. I always wanted to come here. I never came.
Yeah, that's the one we're going to.
For real?
Yeah. They have a club upstairs on the second floor, and then they have another upstairs. They have big, you can see 3 floors. The rooftop, the second, it's in the same place.
It's in the same place.
Damn.
It's like, it remind me of Miami.
Hollywood.
Yeah.
my mind. Let it go away. He was holding me to the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost feel it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days are sunny inside. Good days in my mind.
We are Hoop Tinger right now. It is crazy.
No wonder why it's St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, that's today?
I think so.
Tomorrow?
It's around that time.
Okay, that's why.
Let me make sure.
16? Oh, today's 17?
So it's today.
No, today's not 17. Tomorrow's the 17th.
Oh, today's the 16th.
These big things? Whoa, this one trying to kill us.
Me, boy. You
Okay, this big thing? Hello. Cheers.
They call it Frisson. They call it Frisson.
For real? Reason.
Yeah, that's what they call it.
For adults. For grown people.
Mostly ladies drink it. They have a lot of alcohol in there.
Let me see. I don't know. I ain't tried it yet. I like. That thing's strong.
You good?
You were trying to get us drunk.
No, I'm not.
Yes, he trying to get us.
No, you driving home.
I'm not driving home. I ain't coming with my car. Shoot, I go to Woody.
It's good. Wind is coming in. Yes. Feeling amazing. It's about to be fun.
One of your legs need to go back. That one was good. Damn. That one was good, yeah. I thought it didn't count.
What?
I don't think it's my. Is it a tie?
No.
Oh
Years later.
Oh, he did. I think it's because you're too tall. I think it's because you're too tall, you keep missing. Yeah. You gotta get low. Or maybe this one is, you need a new one. You need a longer one. Is it my turn yet? No. No, it's not. It's still your turn. Why I did that? Finally. Finally. You've been hitting it like a baby. Yes. Okay. You guys can see we are playing right now, so we're having fun. I'm being asked. So I guess, you know, he's too tall. So I'm enjoying myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Mwah.
I've been wandering all day, trying to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Trying to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind is run. All these thoughts I'm troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other.
And he said, yeah.
Let's get that video. Let's get that video.
Say hi.
What's up? What's up?
So what's up? What's up?
I'm one of the managers on the floor.
Hey,
Got
okay.
me up with anything. I'm like real hard to miss. So
Okay.
that's how I got you.
Yes. Food over here. I got a burger and some fries. About to F that burger up because I'm hungry. I am, but my tacos look good. Great taco. Yeah, that's a big ass burger. Yep. That's a big ass burger. I'm supposed to be on a diet, but not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, but not today.
It's free, so you might as well.
Gotta taste it. Fresh. Tastes good. Very good. I don't know. You tell me. I make her delay.
We went home. Had a great time. Had a good time, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Make it funky for me. Make it funky for me. DJ. Let me eat. Say bye. Already. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Alright, guys. I'll let you go.
Thank you. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a shorty. Oh my God.
Giant compared to you. Compared to us, actually. Girl, if you don't unlock this door.
It's you driving,
I'm not driving.
Okay, then Leroy, can you give me a ride, please? Leroy, give me a ride. The car gonna stay here.
Okay, that's
no,
your car.
she's not. No, you don't give her a ride.
I'm not driving.
Do not give her a ride. Do not give her a ride. I drove here. No, you're not tipsy. I'm tipsy too. No, you're not. You're a liar. You're a liar. Leroy, let's go and leave the car. I'll come pick it up tomorrow. And
how you gonna come pick it up tomorrow?
don't worry. Don't worry, sweetheart. Don't worry about me, sweetheart. Don't worry. Take your Uber. You are gonna drop me home, and then tomorrow he's gonna come get. We're gonna come get the car.
Let's go. You man told Natasha that you doing too much. I was laughing. I was like,
Who said that? Which one? He said I didn't hear him. I was gonna give him the. I was gonna give him the business. I didn't hear him.
it was saying stupid too, and he said you were doing too much.
Nah, you should have let. You should have heard him for real. Okay. Shit.
Y'all really not gonna drive?
No, she doesn't want to drive. So let the car stay here and then let's go. I don't mind the car staying here. Cause I told her I'm not driving. Talk about shit tipsy. Hey, don't fuck no, we ain't tipsy. Let's go. I ain't playing. Come on, let's go. I got stuff to do.
So what y'all guys doing?
I already told you already. Give me a ride home and then leave the car. I'll come for it tomorrow. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
EYO DJ Ori.
believe I believed everything.